Okay folks, this is the MUSETEX PC tower that you all are looking at purchase. It is the MUSETEX Y6 computer case. It is nice. The only thing that I wish all their towers would do would have a hinge right here so this could swing open. That would be awfully nice. But at least it's not as hard as some of them. This just pops off and it pulls up. It pulls up out of that crack. And of course you got your screen. Your power button, reset, microphone, USB, another USB and a size C. Inside, don't fall. I know it fell. Anyway, here's the insides of it. It doesn't have no vertical mounting GPUs, mounts for vertical GPUs. You know, some people like it. You would think a wide case would have that, but this one didn't. But you know, you can always buy the add-on, remove them, and make them vertical. Comes with that on. This case is a little special. It is made for future-proof boards. Boards probably in 25 and 26 are going to start having the power plugs on the back of the motherboards, so there won't be so many cords to deal with in the front. And I think it's a great idea. Right, here's your back. Right there's where your PSU goes. And the black panel's in there, but yet it has hose on here and it has hose right here for your GPU. Other than that, this is pretty cool. You open this right here and it swings open. That makes it easy to get to. That's a plus. It's easy access is always a plus. But that's it anyway, folks. That's your MUSETEX Y6 computer case. This is what you're looking at to buy. I like them. This is the third case I've ordered. As you can see, I've got more, and they're all MUSETEX. But I like them, especially this is a little better than the other case that I got from MUSETEX. You put this down into the groove, and then you just snap it in. It's a lot better than screws. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that it helps you make a decision on what computer tower to buy. I like this one. It's just a teeny bit wider. It's not no tall one. It's different. But I hope you enjoyed the video.
There's another filter on the bottom here.
O sea, mira como, literal, mira, es un espejo. ¿Cómo se ve?